Welcome to the new era of course creation. We use a unique workflow to transform your text into a video course, just like this. Choose from a stunning array of AI avatars that are ready to captivate your audience. Or take it a step further. Let's create a personalized digital AI twin of yourself that brands the course to you. Adam and I teamed up to bring a new version of myself to life. I have to admit, I felt a little awkward during the green screen shoots, but it was all part of the fun. I'm really excited about our creation, my AI twin. Now I can present courses at record speed and share knowledge using my twin and a Google Doc. To initiate the project and provide a custom quote, we request a meeting via Zoom at your convenience to discuss an array of choices. There are several options to pick from when creating a course, which is why every course is custom quoted. Don't worry though, Adam and I will work with you every step of the way.